In this video, we'll be looking at inserting a header. So you notice that we have an insert menu, and we're going to go to our insert menu, and you notice on the right section where you have header and footer, we have the option for header, footer, and page number. We're going to go to the option that we have for header. And if we click, well, once we move the mouse pointer over that option, we'll see a little bit more information there given. But if we click on the little arrow pointing down, we'll realize that we have a number of different options for how to insert and how we want our header to be formatted. We're going to click on the blank option, keeping it simple. I'm going to click on blank. Once we have done that, we notice that we have our header, and of course we can edit the text that's there that says type here. We can edit a number of other things, and we're just going to type, I'm just going to type a name here, so I'm just going to type John Doe, and I'm going to go to home, and we can now edit, do a number of editing, such as changing the font. So we're going to change the font, we're going to change the color, we're going to change the font size, italic, underline. That's about it. You'll also notice that you have options here in the paragraph section on your ribbon that you can change the alignment. So you can center, you can right align, etc. We'll leave it on the left. Once you're through with your header, you can go back to header and footer tools here. That's just above where you have design. If you should click under header and footer where you have design and go back to, you'll see the ribbon for the options you have here. You'll see an option for closing header and footer, and once you click on that option, then you will be out of your header and footer view. Now if you should insert, or if you should scroll down, let's just press enter, pressing the enter key here to go down to a new page. You'd realize that you now have also the header appearing on the second page you entered. If you press enter continuously, once again down to the next page and so on, you'll notice that your header appear. So your header will appear on all the pages that you have in your document. And if you want to get back into your header and footer view, you can actually double click on the text for the header, okay, and it will take you back into your header and footer tools. So that's it for inserting, or how to insert a header into your document.